Hey guys, it is October. I was going to say September. October 5th, I believe, 2021. I'm inside the house and just inside the front door actually. And they started doing the floor. I am so excited. And there's my countertop. And it goes, here you go. Get a better view of what it looks like. And everything there. I fucking love it. There. Oh, it looks incredible. I'm just gonna see what the floor looks like. And this is what our floor looks like so far. They've done it. Actually, it doesn't look bad at all. I'm pretty happy with it. Oh, they've done the back room already. Sweet. That looks great. And there's the bathroom. It's the guest bathroom. And that is the vanity for in there with the lights. Okay, the grout looks really good. Wow, they've done a lot. They've done the front here. This is the front bedroom. And the floor. It's looking really, really good. There, you get a better view of the kitchen. It's gonna look awesome. The appliances, the majority of them, are supposed to be arriving this Thursday, so 2 more days. And it'll look a lot better. So that's looking really, really good. My sink is in. Oh, awesome. Here's my big gas sink. Oh, I love it. It's the apron sink. And nice, big. I love it. And that's where my faucet is going to go right there. And to the left of it is going to be a water purifier faucet. So a dishwasher and everything, and my cupboards are going to be right there. So that's cool. Oh, this is my pantry. They haven't put extra. Okay. It's looking really, really good. Oh, they've done that office, or excuse me, laundry room. And they haven't done the master yet. So I'm thinking they'll probably finish the master and the master bathroom, excuse me. Oh, nice. There's the master bathroom shower. Nice. Looking great. And there's the vanity. Looks great. I wanted to see these. Okay, those are stationary. That looks awesome. Looks great, great. I'll walk down here. Yeah, they haven't taken any of the film or anything. Or they have taken the film off all the doors and windows, except for the one that's busted in the back. But I'm thinking they'll probably finish the flooring tomorrow and all the other bits. But yeah, in the back bedroom, one of the windows is smashed. But it looks like they've got the majority of the plugs and switches in. And that's for the fan and everything, which is very cool. In the living room. Yeah, see that window there has got to be replaced because we had a dust devil come around and break it. But other than that, I'm so thrilled. This looks awesome. I am in love with my kitchen and it's not even completed yet. But other than that, that's about it. That's it for a Tuesday, October 5th. Until next time, have a good one.